Let us discuss today about the topic test cross. So, test cross is a topic of chapter 5 in Principle of Inheritance and Variation. And test cross is basically a cross which help us to detect the genotype of the parent and suppose you are not knowing the genotype of the parent, whether it is a pure character or it is a hybrid one, then with the help of a test cross we can detect the genotype of the parent. Like, see the figure 5.5. In figure 5.5, see the center, there is a violet flower, but we don't know the genotype of this violet flower, whether it is capital W or it is capital W small w, means whether it is a pure violet or it is a hybrid. Okay, so in that case what we need to do is we will cross the parent plant with the unknown genotype with the recessive plant. Like here you can see that the cross has been made of this unknown parent plant with the homozygous recessive plant, okay, which is having the white flower. Okay, now after this cross, after a cross between these two, what was found is, if see in both the sides it is given, both the cases are given for the pure character as well as for the hybrid one, both are given here. Now suppose we get the observations that all the flowers are violet in color, means all the flowers come of the same color, fine, and this result indicate that the parent plant with the unknown genotype parent plant was actually the having the pure was having actually the pure genotype, means it was having capital W and capital W. Okay, so means the result of this test cross will tell you the genotype of the parent plant with the unknown genotype of the parent plant. Okay, means we know the phenotypic character, we know that this plant is violet, having violet flowers, but we don't know the genotype. So if you got the result after crossing with a recessive plant, if you got the result that all are coming violet, that means the plant is having this genotype. Okay, but suppose we got the results that half of the flowers are violet in color and half of the flowers are white in color, means we got the ratio 50-50, that means 1:1. Okay, if we got this ratio, this means that the unknown flower is heterozygous. Okay, so by this test cross we can detect whether the parent plant with the unknown genotype is homozygous dominant or it is heterozygous. Okay, if it is homozygous dominant, if it will be the homozygous dominant if all the flowers are of same color, means we get the result all flowers are violet in color. Okay, that means that the unknown flower is having the homozygous dominant genotype, whereas if you got the result in 1:1, that is half of the flowers come violet and half of the flowers come as white, it means that the unknown flower is heterozygous and it is having the genotype like this. Okay, so this is all about the test cross. Okay, now the test cross was is a cross which has helped Mendel to detect the genotype of all the plants, all the crosses, in all the crosses that he has done. He used to know the genotype of the parent plant, and for that he has given this cross only, and this cross was very important, and many questions, many different type of the questions can be framed from this topic, that is the test cross. Okay, the next topic is the law of dominance and law of segregation. Let us discuss this. The principles or the law of inheritance has undergone or is having under two laws, the first law and the second law. The first law is known as the law of dominance and the second law is known as the law of segregation. Now what is law of dominance? In the law of dominance, it is given that all the characters are controlled by the discrete units, which is known as the factors. Now we call factor as gene, and all the factors occur in pairs, and dissimilar pair of factors, one member of the pair dominant and other one is recessive. Okay, so out of the two factors, one member is dominating and the other one is recessive. The law of dominance explains the ratio, that is why we are getting 3:1 in the F2 generation. And it also explains why in the monohybrid cross we get all the progenies of the same type. Okay, so that is all about the test cross and law of dominance. Thank you.